Welcome. In this product walkthrough, we'll show you how Zendesk Contact Center unifies scalable voice, digital messaging, built-in AI, and workforce engagement in a single workspace, giving your agents everything they need to deliver faster, smarter resolutions on every channel. Let's dive in. Customer service interactions start with dialing a number, initiating a chat, sending an email. Zendesk Contact Center is designed for seamless handoffs to live agents, regardless of how customers reach out. When a human expert is needed to resolve a customer issue, Zendesk analyzes the call to intelligently route the customer to the best fit agent. In our unified workspace, contact center agents can handle voice and digital channels side by side, connecting customer profiles and removing contextual gaps. From the moment an agent answers, data captured from the IVR, alongside complete customer history, previous tickets, and insights, appear immediately within the unified workspace. This data helps power Zendesk's voice AI capabilities that help agents through each step in the customer interaction. As the agent and customer interact, Zendesk Copilot analyzes the call to detect customer intent and instantly surface relevant knowledge suggestions, equipping the agent with precise answers and next best actions exactly when they need them. With Zendesk App Builder, you can design and deploy custom applications with no code to help guide agents through more complex workflows. Whether agents need a tool for processing refunds with their third-party e-commerce app or simple inventory lookups, App Builder seamlessly embeds these capabilities right where your agents work. Zendesk Contact Center also makes it easier for agents to work through post-call wrap-up. As soon as the call ends, Copilot drafts a comprehensive summary of the interaction and enriches ticket data with pre-populated tags. This drastically reduces after-call work and ensures accurate data is categorized for precise reporting and trend monitoring. Agents also have access to the same case management tools like macros to send AI-powered confirmations or follow-ups, helping them close out their tickets faster. Data from the voice interaction are also sent to our AI-powered supervisor tools like QA, workforce management, and knowledge builder, feeding improvements to your rules, governance, and workflows. To learn more about how Zendesk Contact Center helps you resolve calls faster, visit our webpage at zendesk.com/contact-center.